What if I told you that the reason you feel overwhelmed has nothing to do with how hard you're working and everything to do with where you're keeping track of all of it? If you're a business coach juggling client sessions, follow ups, invoices, and a running list of ideas you're terrified to forget, your brain is doing a job it was never meant to do. Hi, I'm Samantha. I am a certified Asana workflow specialist. I help service based entrepreneurs build calm, organized backends so they can focus on what they actually love. So, today I'm walking you through 3 smart plus a few bonus ways to use Asana as a business coach. So, let's get into it. First up, a dedicated home for every single client. So, right now, you might be tracking sessions in your memory, chasing details through old emails, or relying on sticky notes that mysteriously disappear, right? So, here's a better way. So, in Asana, you can create one project per long term coaching client and organize it into 5 sections. So, something like the top can be information. And then the next section might be onboarding. And then you can put all your onboarding tasks underneath here. And then the next section could be for ongoing tasks. And then next, you might have a section for active sessions. And then you can easily keep track of your sessions under here. And then you can have a section for offboarding. Struggling to remember what I'm saying while I'm typing. Okay. But something like that you could separate your sections into. And then underneath, you could set recurring tasks for weekly check-ins. So your ongoing tasks, you could have your weekly check-ins, and then you could have your monthly progress reports. And that way, Asana remembers the schedule so that you don't have to. And please don't skip the offboarding section. This is where you track final file delivery and request a testimonial. That finishing touch makes your clients feel taken care of. And taking care of clients, send referrals. Okay, and then next, here's a question first. Do you actually know where every potential client stands right now? If the answer is kind of, or I think so, you're probably leaving money on the table. Asana's board view lets you build a simple visual pipeline with columns like new lead. And then you could have one for discovery call booked, and then you might have something like proposal sent, and then signed. And then that's your way of keeping track of your leads. And then at a glance, you can see exactly what needs your attention and what's moving forward. And then if you're on a paid Asana plan, you can add an Asana form to your website so that when someone fills it out, a task is automatically created in your lead tracker so you can follow up fast while they're still thinking about you. This way, you're not scrambling trying to find the leads you should have already followed up with, and you get more clarity on your business growth. Now, if you're already thinking, I need this set up yesterday, I have good news for you. My Asana system templates have all of these structures ready to go, built and waiting for you. No pressure, but I'll put the link below so you can grab it and come back because we've still got more to cover. Okay, next up is my personal favorite, your business hub. Essentially a digital filing cabinet for everything that runs your business. You can store your standard operating procedures right inside Asana, things like how to onboard a new client, what to send after a discovery call, many, many more, right? And then when you're ready to hire a VA or hand something off, your business is already documented and ready to go. You can also track income, expenses, and tax details using Asana's custom fields, no spreadsheet required, and you can create custom testimonial projects. You can paste those wonderful things your clients say directly into Asana tasks. And then when you need one for a sales email or a social post, it's waiting right there for you. Okay, and then coaches are creative people, and your best ideas almost never arrive when you're sitting at your desk, right? So I recommend you download the Asana mobile app, and the next time inspiration strikes, whether you're on a walk or in the car, you can open the app and drop it straight into your idea bank project. Once it's there, you can let it go. So it's safe. You don't have to hold on to it anymore. And that is a surprisingly good feeling knowing that Asana will remember for you. Okay, and then a quick tip before we wrap up, your system should actually feel good to open. Add emojis to your project names, use custom covers on your board sections, make it colorful, make it you. When your workspace feels inviting, you'll actually use it consistently. And consistency is where the magic happens. Now, here's the real reason to build these systems. It's not about being perfectly productive. It's about having a safety net for the weeks when life gets hard, your energy is low, or things just don't go to plan. When your business lives inside Asana instead of inside your head, you can slow down without falling behind. Now, if you want a shortcut, my Asana system templates give you all of those templates ready to go: client management, lead tracker, business hub, plus many more built and waiting for you. Again, the link is below if you want to grab that. And now that you have these three core systems in place, you're probably wondering how to fill in the rest of the gaps, like tracking your own professional development or managing your affiliate. So I actually have a full walkthrough of the exact setup that saved one of my coaching clients' businesses, and you can watch that right here. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.